你好! Today we are going to learn some combined vowels, which is the largest group in the finals. So let's get started. I, like the word I. Please repeat after me. I. Next is A, like the word hey. Please repeat after me. A. Next is oui, like the French word for saying yes. Oui. Please repeat after me. Oui. Next is ow, like the word cow. Please repeat after me. Ow. Next is o, like the word soul. Please repeat after me. O. Next is you, like the word new. Please repeat after me. You. Next is ear, like the word fear. Please repeat after me. Ear. Next is yue. This is another final that is so hard to pronounce. If you put it together, y, u, and e, you get the sound yue. Please repeat after me. Yue. And finally, the last combined vowel for this lesson is r, like the word r. Please repeat after me. R. Okay, so in this lesson, we have learned I, A, we, O, you, ear, yue, and R. Make sure you practice them, and I will see you next time. Bye!